some of the baddest turbo bikes you've ever seen. This is Pro Extreme Eliminator. Let's go! Cycle Drag Universe, let's get started with another video, but before we do, can you please make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a thing? We got a lot of great videos coming your way. Thanks so much. Let's start this video. And we've got a good one you're going to want to watch till the end. Pro Extreme, Real Street, and 460 in this video. He had the buy run, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes our next pair. This is Pro Extreme, some of the most incredible turbo drag bikes you will ever see. 403 for Rob Garcia, and with that run, he gets a bye into the final round. Let's jump into some no-bar real street racing. Here comes Ralphie Navarro, round one, out of Team Platinum Fleet Repair. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need anything fixed, any heavy equipment, any trucks in the New Jersey area, contact Ralphie at Platinum Fleet Repair. He's the boss. And he's trying to get by round one. He's got the bad influence Hayabusa alongside him. Let's see what Navarro can do. Graduate of the George Bryce Drag Racing School. He said he's been there 10 times. Team Platinum Fleet Repair going on a big number. He's going to be tough to beat today. Tough female racer Brittany Boone near lane. Brittany out in front. She looks to advance to the next round. She does. CX14 versus Hayabusa. Annibal the Cannibal versus the Amish Outlaw Spencer Claycomb. Who you got? Suzuki or Kawasaki? Let's hear you in the comments. And we are locked. Kawasaki, Suzuki, bar to bar, fork to fork, wheel to wheel, top end of the racetrack. Give it to the Hayabusa. 767, give it to the former champion Suzuki powered Spencer Claycomb. Sanowski goes 771. Nice pass for Chad. Congratulations. .196 miles an hour, 760. Super Dave flying in Real Street. New record if he can back it up. Let's get back into Pro Extreme. 92. Chris Garner-Jones, 183 miles an hour, clinches the championship title. Unbelievable. .403 with a 2. Chris Garner-Jones earns lane choice heading into the final. All right, we've got semis and finals coming up. Don't you dare leave this video until we crown champions as this track crew goes to work making sure this racetrack is prepped to perfection. It's been a tricky surface, but they're doing the best job they possibly can. Back into the street tire warriors. This is real street. Here comes Spencer Claycomb, near lane, Suzuki Hayabusa. He will oppose Marcus Hilton, also on a Hayabusa. Look at the concentration, the poise. Here we go. Spencer Claycomb hooking up the Amish Outlaw left lane. Oh, but he lifts the wheel a little bit. Hilton's going to get around him. Top end of the racetrack. Hilton does. Hilton scores the win and advances. Our next pair. Here comes Super Dave on the Hayabusa. Trying to take down Chad Sosnowski on the 1000. 1000 with a great hole shot, but that Hayabusa is out of here. Top end. Super Dave advances. And here comes Ralphie Navarro once again. He's been red hot out of Platinum Fleet Repair. Can Ralphie advance? Or will it be our fast female on the GSXR 1000, Brittany Boone? Two of the best, Navarro and Boone. Here we go. 764, 178, Ralphie Navarro, Team Platinum Fleet Repair, getting a bye into the final. Congratulations, Ralphie. He is rolling today. Give him a share. Well, guys, sorry for the anticlimactic ending, but this is it. This is it. Unfortunately, Rob Garcia's broke, so Chris Garner-Jones is going to take an easy win. Probably not your toughest round, Chris, but it wins you a championship. You're the champ, man. How's that feel?
Great, actually. Great.
I love it, man. Congratulations. Hey, you know Pops is smiling down on that one.
For sure.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sadly, Chris Garner-Jones lost his father, TT, last year. You know, TT's smiling down on this one. R.I.P., my friend. Well, here comes our Real Street semifinals. Who's going to the final round? Super Dave or Marcus Hilton? Marcus Hilton pops a sky-high wheelie. That's going to cost him. Super Dave hooks up. He looks to go to the final. Yes, he does. 762. Can Ralphie Navarro run quick enough for lane choice, because Team Platinum Fleet Repair is going to the final.
Super Dave trying to reclaim that points lead if he can.
The stage is set for an unbelievable, epic Real Street final. It is Hayabusa versus Hayabusa. Navarro versus Super Dave. This is going to be one heck of a drag race. You've got a front row seat right here on Cycle Drag. What a race. What a race. Great job by both guys. 762.7 right lane to a 762.1. Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, in 460, it is an all Kawasaki final. 2, gorgeous, immaculate.
A blue Kawasaki's gonna win.
A blue Kawasaki's gonna win. Kenny Cornell, beautiful. KZ, Troy Haasman, right lane, another beautiful KZ. If you love old cows, share this. I'll tell you what, I rode a blue KZ to the race. I love them. Look at this beefy power plant. As Kenny Cornell gets in the zone. Another gorgeous KZ, cow power.
Ready? Now,
There ain't nothing on this bike Kawasaki, actually.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, congratulations! Congratulations! What's this mean to you?
Kenny was 022.
It's a win. We know he's been striving so hard, working so hard. Well, congratulations, guys. Well deserved. What an epic performance, Curtis Griggs. How about it? Celebration all around.
Great race.
And I gotta say, Les, maybe that was some good karma for the excellent sportsmanship he showed you earlier today.
Absolutely.
What a great competitor, huh?
Great competitor, great racer. He earned that.
He certainly
Good job.
did. It was all Kawasaki and 460, guys. Well, Cycle Drag, the sun sets on another beautiful weekend, this time at Virginia Motorsports Park. What great racing we saw. I certainly hope you guys enjoyed the video. We do this every week here. If you like this video, here's another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle, and you know if there's anything fast motorcycles, we are in. Be a friend, tell a friend. From Virginia Motorsports Park, Cycle Drag rolls on.